Y'all keep asking, so here's my simple nail care routine. 1. No corners. They can get caught. Round nails only. 2. Use a moisturizing oil. Here's what I use. Use a brush or finger to coat entire nail. Here's the magic. Coat the underside as well. Watch my nail turn clear. And no, they're not flimsy and thin. That's it. Simple and easy.
How I grew my nails from this to this.
Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and...
You guys kept asking, so here's how I keep my cuticles clean. These are my tools. Sanitize your tools first. Begin pushing gently, this should not hurt. For extra leverage, pull back the skin a bit. Use the sharper end to scrape and clean. See the dead skin. Make sure you're only cutting away at the dead part. Begin cutting slowly and carefully. Look at the difference before and after. Then we moisturize. Watch the magic as my nails turn clear. And we're done. What do you guys want to see next?
How to grow off my very long nails. They've gotten too long. They're so strong and that the clippers didn't even cut through. Second time is the charm. Time to just chop them all off. No regrets. OMG, it feels so empty. Time for some detailing and filing the nails so they're all the same shape. I've grown these for months, but they just become inconveniences. Last bit of filing, and then wiping clean. Look at that difference in nail lovely cuticle oil 5-minute nails. And we're done. Nail growing recipe. 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon melted coconut oil. Soak for 5 to 10 minutes. Try do this daily. Wrap it up and use it tomorrow. This is your reminder to always wear cuticle oil before showering.
From the back.